Looking for a fun, easy way for kids to learn coding? The Osmo Coding Starter Kit is the perfect way for kids ages 5 to 10 to learn coding basics and includes everything you'll need for 3 fantastic learning games. Let's check it out. Inside the Osmo Coding Starter Kit, you'll find setup instructions, an Osmo base and reflector, and a plastic storage container with all the coding blocks you'll need to play. Follow the instructions included in your kit to install and set up the games. Place your iPad in the Osmo base and slide the red reflector on top. This reflector allows your tablet's camera to scan the table and respond to the Osmo pieces. Each coding block represents an action or command. When placed in front of the tablet, the game responds to the blocks for endless interactive learning and fun. This kit is fantastic because it builds coding skills in progression, which means there's always something exciting to discover as your child learns and grows. We recommend starting with Coding Awbie first to learn basic coding fundamentals. Guide Awbie on a strawberry-munching adventure through forests, jungles, snowy mountains, and even a volcano while practicing basic coding and computational thinking. Coding Jam is a creative game where kids compose their own music by arranging blocks in patterns that create songs. With over 300 musical sounds, the possibilities are nearly endless, while reinforcing pattern recognition, sequencing, and loops. You can even share music safely with friends, family, and the Jam community. Coding Duo is a collaborative puzzle game where players use strategy and pair programming to help Mo and Awbie level up, rescue pets, and achieve goals. As your child progresses, Coding Duo is a great way to challenge their coding skills. Screen time that both kids and parents will love? The Coding Starter Kit is the easiest and truly the most fun way to learn coding. To learn more, check out the other great games and starter kits in Osmo's learning system.